why it's not always a good idea to change insurance companies. So, if you've noticed that your rates have been going up year after year, there's nothing wrong with shopping around to see if you can find a lower price. What I've noticed is there's a lot of advice on the internet that says you should shop your insurance about every 6 months because you could be saving hundreds of dollars on car insurance. That may be true, and the warning to that is if you're changing insurance companies every 6 months, that actually narrows down the pool of companies that would be willing to write your insurance. One thing that insurance companies do look at is your insurance history and your loyalty to other companies. So if you're constantly jumping from company to company every 6 months, that actually looks bad on your insurance record. Again, nothing wrong with shopping your rates, but loyalty is important. What are some reasons that rates go up? A lot of people are surprised when their rates are increasing when they haven't filed any claims that year. And they'll say, I was a really good driver this year and I didn't get into any accidents, why are my rates going up? Insurance is a shared risk, which means if you live in an area where there's a lot of car accidents happening, then that affects your insurance too. Another factor that could affect your rate is your insurance score. Now that's mostly based on claims history, but it is related to credit as well. No, it's not exactly the same thing as a regular credit check, but your individual record can have an effect on your rate. Payment history could be another factor. It's not always a hard and fast rule because it does vary from company to company, but it's a possibility. And sometimes inflation is a factor too. Sometimes the overall state is just taking a general rate increase. Sometimes with home policies, your coverage actually does increase to keep up with the value of the home. So that's something to check on your renewal. If your rate's going up, are your coverages going up too? As always, if you have questions about your specific coverage, make sure to check with your local insurance agent. This is just general information and may not be specific to your policy. Those are just some general thoughts and information. Hope that was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.